Hi everyone, Richard here. Well, I have here, this is the new 70 mi tire pressure monitoring system, Lite version. So they have a full version and this is the Lite version. The difference is the full version, the sensor is inside the tire, the rim, where when you install you have to take out your tire and put it inside the valve. Will be inside your rim, so you have to go to the workshop to get it fixed. Whereas this one, the Lite, the sensor is on the cap, the valve cap. So you lock it in at the valve cap and then it connects to the main unit and you get your reading. So let's have a look at this and unbox this. And before I unbox, okay, I have two here. You know why? Because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will give away one. So I'm so happy that I'm almost reaching to 1,000, and that's why I'm already prepared one to give away. Do follow the 70 mi Facebook. I will post it there as well on how to win one of these. Okay, so let's unbox one. Okay, so let's open it up, and then we have the, well, very long menu guidebook on how to use it. So I guess you guys have to read this on how to install and or even take out the valve to change the battery. So please do read it on how to use this. So if not, you'll be asking lots of questions in the Facebook website as well. Okay, this is the unit, and oh, it's very small. Okay, with the sticky pad here and the LEDs here. With this is a solar panel. So at the angle you can see it's a solar panel that there you face the sun. Thankfully I live in the tropical country, so I get 24 hours, 365 days of sun, whether I like it or not. Okay, except the monsoon season. So this is the cable for it. It's a USB and a micro USB, and it should go somewhere. I have to where does it go? Okay, here. Okay, it goes to the side, and this is where you plug it in. If you are not using solar, I will install it and show you guys. The power is at the left side, and the USB is at the right side. Okay. Side. Okay, warning labels. Careful removal tire pressure monitoring valve. So this you're supposed to put it at your rim so that everyone knows you have one of these. So and let's open it up. Okay, first we have the tools. This is a tool to install the sensor, and some rubber gasket rings and some nuts to hold it in. Okay, this is the nut remover. At the same time, this is the valve remover to change the battery. This flowered part, here part is to go here, so you can remove the battery. So let's open this up. Not only is it for you to lock it, it's also for you to remove as well. So everyone's probably confused with this, but you have to look at that. Okay, this one goes here, and this one, to bear in mind, you have left, right, center, and this is to open up, to open up, so that when you want to change the battery, so you can't change with your hands, you have to open up with this tool. So there you go. There's the cap and there's the battery. So bear in mind you need to change this battery. I'm not sure when it's showing in the control that is 0, then you have to change it. So then you close it back and make sure you tighten it. I'm not sure how tighten you should have, but I think it should be. Just don't over tighten, you may break. So this is just plastic as well. Anyway, that's the unboxing. There's 4 of it, and caps. You can see right, left, right, and then we have. Oh, okay. Let me get it right. Left front, right front. Don't get it wrong. That's for your right front, and then you have left rear, right rear. So this for the behind views, and that's for the front views. So we shall have a look at it and do some installation after all the parts taken out for you first, and then we shall okay, so that's all the parts that comes in the box, and we shall do the installation on the car and have a look and see how to fix it. Okay, we shall fix the first unit, which I got here is the right rear. So this is my right rear rim, and I'll take it out. I'm not going to put in the lock yet because I want to test all the 4 units on the rim, on my tires, in order to make sure that all are working before I put in the lock nut. There would be a lock nut. If you read the manual, there will be a lock nut there, and then you have to use that. So okay, now I'm turning it in as tight as I can to get it in. I'm not sure how tight I need that to be, but let's try that. So first one to go in. Remember, keep back your cap. Don't mind me, it's a bit dirty in my car. And then this is the right front, which I open up, and you can see my rims are extremely dirty. Even my car dashboard is dusty. I have not washed my car for like 6 months. That's how dirty my car is. Anyway, and I hope you're getting the audio from my camera, testing out the wireless mic running on a 2.4G wireless frequency to the Osmo Action. So that's okay. That's the right front, okay? And that was the right rear. Let's go and fix the others. Okay, we have the left front here, and let's fix that. Left front. Technically, you're supposed to put in the lock so that it's supposed to lock it from people taking it out just by turning the sensor, but actually it's no use if someone takes this without the main unit. They'll probably not get any reading out of this because it's paired to the main unit. And let's do the last one, left rear. Okay, that's my left rear. Just now was right, and this is left. Left rear. As you can hear, I'm actually at the petrol station. Why am I here? Because I want to run a flat tire test. I will reduce the air and then I will need to pump it back because that's why I need to be next to the petrol station. So okay, all are in. Let's put in the main unit. So you open the 70My app and add device on the home page. Okay, so I need to look for 70My tire pressure monitoring system lights. Bluetooth has been enabled, and search again. So it should search. Okay, it's found it. 70My E02. Yep, there's a beep there, and it's connected. And you can see the Bluetooth is playing. There's a Bluetooth signal there. Right. So waiting for authorization. Press the power button. Press the power button on the side. Yep. The app has connected, and you can see the tire pressure as well. Right. So 45 Celsius is the temperature of the tire. I'm not sure why my right front tire is hotter than the left, whereas the back is 35 and 38. Again, maybe this is because the exhaust is near here, and maybe this is because I'm not sure. The tire pressure is correct. I normally use higher pressure front and lower pressure at the back, so that's fine. So let's do a loss of tire pressure and see. So there you see the blinking timer is showing my right front tire, which I reduced the air just now, is 1.9 bar. So I need to pump this tire back up, and it's good. It shows it has audible sound warning that states that your tire pressure is down. So this is a good product to have, and I will run it for some time to test it on a long run. I'll be going for long distance anyway, which is I can monitor my tire pressure. I'm very sensitive on my tire pressure. I always keep it at about pressure front and back must be equal, because I drive quite fast on the highway, and I like to keep my temperature as well as the pressure correct. Okay, so do follow me on my next video, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and this product. This is the 70 mi tire pressure monitor Lite version, and do subscribe to my channel and follow me on the next update. And again, follow 70 mi on their Facebook page. I will post a link on my giveaway for this sensor monitor, tire pressure monitor, when I hit my 1,000 subscribers. So I will give that away, and follow me there. Okay, 70 mi Facebook page. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.